2, 1, go! Hit. Hit. Whoever shot me in the back, dude. Come tag me, man. What the fuck? Hurry up, man. We gotta make a team. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Which way you wanna go? Go.
Let's go
Actually, they
down.
gotta cover that way. Let's go. Let's cover around port. See if anybody's in port. Cover that side. Team SEAL. Dylan. Take garage. I don't think anybody's in here, dude. Come on, let's push house. Yo. Hey, get me back on the team, dog. You were my teammate, right?
SEAL. Yeah, teammate, come on, teammate.
Only 4 allowed on.
Are you serious, dude?
Sorry. Sorry. How'd you lose your eye protection?
Yo, you know what tagging? You have a team of 3. We have a team of 4. Where's going?
Did that little... Where's the little kid? There's one more left. Neil. I think there's one more left, that little kid. Where'd he go? Hey, we already got a team of 4.
Louis went up this alleyway one.
Oh, wait. All right, push port. I'm gonna check if that little kid came back in here or not. Still got that little kid in the blue somewhere.
Louis.
The younger kid in the blue, he's somewhere here.
This feels like a zombie game.
Are you on our team? Where's that little kid, man? Where'd he go? Oh, a couple just went shots. Let's go.
He's there.
Let's go. Did I didn't hit you? Oh, my mag is locked down. Nah, you didn't hit me. But my mag was locked down.
How many we have on our team?
How many
How many we have on our team? How many are you down? I'm down. What's up? I'm down.
All right, so.
You're on our team, Dave. You're on our team.
Hit me in the head.
Eric, you're on our team. You're on our team, Eric.
Okay. Guys, cover this side. Stay on this side.
That's our team in there.
Hit. Medic. Corey, medic. Corey. Medic. I'm down. I'm gonna use this to my advantage. They don't know I'm. Come this way.
He was friendly.
Not anymore. Did I hit you? Ow! Medic. How many we got? 2? Ah! You're out of gas. Team of 3, 4. Team of 4. Team of 4. Ah, hit. Hit.
Really? I'm shooting at you when you shoot.
There you go.
What do we got? 4? He's hit. We already got a 4.
You tagged me and I didn't get hit yet.
Yeah, but then I just got hit and he switched.
Go clear shot.
Guys, cover that side. I'm gonna go this side. Is everyone down? All right, game.
They caught me twice in the head.
Pardon?